Hello, I'm in a 2016 GMC Terrain, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust between the US or metric measurements, so like your miles versus kilometers or Fahrenheit versus Celsius. So first you want to make sure your vehicle's turned on, which right now it is. Wait just a moment for everything to load. And then we're going to use these buttons here to toggle between your options. So I hit menu, that's what I hit here. And then I'm going to hit the set clear as it says, so this button, and then again up or down. So we'll say we want metric, just use these arrows. That's it. And I hit this to fully select. So now, as you can see, it changed it to kilometers. I'm in the US, so I'm going to change it back to miles. So again, you can toggle with your menu. So the options, set clear, arrow, set clear. Now I'm back to miles. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.